Hello guys, welcome to TelePrime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the groups and subgroups, how we have to create those. Okay, so we will discuss about what are the groups and subgroups, and then we will see how we have to create these or we can alter these groups in Tally software. So if I talk about here guys about the groups and subgroups in Tally software, so it is basically the group is a collection of lasers of same natures. Many multiple lasers are come in a group. Okay, so in Tally software there are total 28 predefined groups that are used in the account chart. Out of 28 predefined groups in Tally, primary groups are 15 and the secondary groups are 13. Basically total there are 28 groups in which 15 are primary and 13 are secondary. The secondary groups are created under the primary groups. Now let's see how we have to create these type of groups in Tally software. Here you can see we have to create the following accounting group in the Tally company. So here we have to create the outstanding expense group. Let's move on to the Tally software and see how we have to create these. So after coming in the Tally software, we have to click on the create option, and then here we will click on the group option here, and then you have to type the name, which is outstanding. If I talk about the alias, in the alias name we can type a short name for it like /o/s/exp. Then in the undergroup outstanding expenses guys are the current liability, so we have to select a primary group here, which is current liability will come in the outstanding expense case. So select here, then press Ctrl A to save that. We have just created a group. In case if we want to alter this or if we want to delete, if we want to change any kind of information in this group, what we have to do, we have to come back on the gateway of Tally. Then we have to click on the alter option. Then here we will click on the group. After that we will type that group name which we are basically want to change here. Click on that group, and if you want to delete this, just press Alt D, which is a shortcut key to delete anything in Tally software. And also guys, if I talk about the total 28 predefined groups, so here are these. If you come in the alter option and click on the group, you will see the complete entire list of 28 groups, which are like bank account, bank overdraft, bank capital liability, current asset, fixed asset, etc. like this. So guys, in this video we have discussed how we have to create the groups and subgroups and what are the groups in Tally software. Thank you.